Billy Bridger? Says on my pad here, criminal use of explosives, assault, attempted armed robbery, arson, attempted armed robbery. Did you try and rob the same bank 3 times?
No.
Oh, yes, you did. Because you're Billy Bridger. You are the son of big, bad, horrible Arthur Bridger. I'm Arthur fucking Bridger. Give me the fucking money. Now that's your dad, isn't it? So how comes he didn't get sent down with you then?
Started all them jobs on your own.
Oh, yeah. I've got a little deal for you. I'm putting together a unit. You're gonna fucking love it. It's right up your street, your sort of thing. And it's got to be better than being in there.
I'll be fine.
What sort of unit?
Tell me, Bridger, do you like the seaside?
Do you like the fucking seaside?
Teams of 2, move!
I'm sick! I'm chucking me guts up over here!
Oh.
And you're just strolling off!
Oh, Bridger, liven yourself up, come on. There's a lovely little ice cream shop down there and I'm treating you to a cornet.
Give me a sec, will ya? I can barely move without spilling over.
What do you want me to do? Tuck you in and get you your teddy? Now come on, get moving. You still have the explosives on you?
Yeah, and I've improved them with my own special recipe.
Right. You two, you know what to do!
Careful with this one, Mason.
Up and over! That's a Stuka incoming.
Damn, the planes were meant to blow up.
Yeah, that's them all right. Head down. You know the drill.
Have you been here before? Do you know where we're going?
Oh yeah, I come here all the time. I bring the missus along sometimes.
So that's a no then, is it? You don't know where we're going?
Listen, this job requires a certain amount of think on your feet. Do you understand?
Right. Yeah. Great.
Right, here's a good spot. Now take a look around and survey the area.
Maybe an airstrip off in the distance.
The hangar there is most likely secured. So once you're down there, pull your finger out your arse and find a way inside.
See some barrels over there?
You know I wouldn't try using them for cover. You never know what's inside.
Germans. On the other ridge there. Looks like lots of rubbish. Maybe an alarm.
Yeah, probably a radio too. Now it's going to be best to watch out for both because we don't need more enemies showing up. Are you sure about these bombs of yours?
These safe pack of specials? They'll blow this place to pieces, mate, don't you worry. What if I get caught, though? You're just gonna piss off and leave me here? Get all the glory yourself?
Glory? There ain't no fucking glory, son. Now listen to me, carefully. I'm gonna put my bombs on those planes over there. And you are going to put yours on them now.
Yeah, all right.
Do not get caught. I'll be waiting for you at the meeting point.
I'm on it.
No time to waste, son. Down you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, easy. Fuck this for a game of soldiers. You horrible bastard, Mason.
Der Hauptmann ist wegen irgendwas schrecklich wütend.
Der Hauptmann ist ein wandelndes Pulverfass, wenn du so sagst. Warum nicht? Freundliche Soldaten! Zeigt euch!
Thanks, Jerry.
Ich weiß nicht, was mit den anderen passiert ist. Mein Mörser verlangt, direkt auf den Wagen und eingeschlagen und den Abend der Fläche an. Schrecklich, dieser Krieg. geht! Habt die Misten alle verloren! Können nicht weit sein! Tut alles ab! Ihr seid tot! Bereit machen zum Vorrücken!
Here we go! That's what we're looking for. That ought to do it. Okay. That actually went really well.
Genau hier! Verdammt!
Your bombs almost killed me.
Yeah, that's because my bombs went off. What about yours?
Mine are gonna go up any second. Watch this.
Jesus Christ, Bridget, did you plant your bombs or not?
Wait for it.
I'm telling you now, these special explosives of yours, they better be really fucking special.
Wait for it.
Bridget.
Any second now.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Here we are, up Fritz's shitter, and I ask you to do one thing. One fucking thing that you tell me that you're a big expert
Can I
in.
just say
No, you
it?
can't, because what the fucking hell was that?
I've occasionally had teething problems.
Teething problems? Don't make me fucking laugh. I could have done that with a fucking light breeze, a speck of rain, or a tiny teeny bird perched on that wing would have done more damage.
Fancy another round, eh?
Das dauert nicht mehr lange.
See how you like this, flyboy. Jesus Christ, Bridget, that was incredible. Thanks, yeah, you're welcome.
You're a fucking disaster.
Me? You're the one who's gonna got himself shot full of holes and shit.
Yeah, because of you, you tit.
Listen, I was sitting pretty in prison, mate. I was not bothering nobody and not getting shots at till you come along. This is your fucking fault.
Listen to me. You took the fucking deal. You want to start paying it off your end? Then you need to fucking liven yourself up, boy. Do you understand me?
Halt! Wer seid ihr?
Verfluchte Scheiße!
You're gonna have to do this next one on your own, all right? Just like you did all those banks, remember?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get it done, no bother. You all right?
Yeah, of course I am. Listen. Take this. This goes bang on everything.
Right. I'll get down there and finish it up. Get you some help. I'm holding you to that deal.
Yeah, just do the job and we'll see. I'm gonna have a little kip in this shithole. Don't stand there staring at me. Move. Go.
On my own then. 3 places to go. Need to make sure none of the supplies here get put to use. That bunker might have what Mason needs. That's the radar stations. This looks promising. Let's get rid of all these lovely supplies, shall we?
Wer auch immer in diesem Flugzeug sitzt, landen Sie auf der Stelle. Das ist ein Befehl.
Ich bin I ain't nothing to worry about. Go about your business. Jawohl?
Was zur Hölle? Landen Sie die Maschine oder Sie werden abgeschossen.
That doesn't sound good.
Verdammter Bastard! Dein letzter Tag auf Erden! Du kannst nicht entkommen!
Those are radar stations. I need to be the same.
Lass uns das schnell zu Ende bringen!